Perfect. Snap him down. Yes, you gotta get closer though. You gotta get closer for that. Yeah, as soon as that right foot comes forward, go. Osoto, right there. Osoto. Look for your drop knee throw. Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Good job, boy.
Good. Keep his shoulders down, heavy hips. Yes, heavy hips. Walk him flat, walk him flat. Push his hips to meet. Good, yes. Square your hips to the mat. Square your hips this way. Turn your hips this way. This way. Yes. Yeah. Right there. Nice. Go north-south. North-south. North-south, Kai. Kai, let go of the head. Circle this way. Come towards me. This way. Up. Butt up. Turn towards him. Nice job. Good, yes. Push on his knees. Good, excellent. Good, Kai. Stay hips down now. You gotta go under his shoulder, keep him flat. No. Kai, square your hips to the mat. Other way, up. Up, on top.
Yeah.
Yes. Now stay on top, Kai.
Nice.
Heavy hips right there, heavy hips. Yes. Stay hips down. Look Ezekiel. Kai, Ezekiel. Yes. Yeah. Yes, Kai. Put the pressure down. Yeah. Keep the pressure in there. Stand up. Short time. Come on top now. Yes. Guys, chill out. Chill, Kai. Kai, chill. Relax, Kai. Stay heavy. Keep his hips down. Let go of the Ezekiel. Let go of it. Stay heavy. Short time.
Stay heavy, Kai.
5 seconds. Stay heavy. Put his shoulders down.